Alrighty then, this is my ignition system for my gas turbine engine I'm making with a turbocharger. Let's walk you through it. First you got your power source, the battery, which the positive terminal is connected to the positive terminal of the igniter coil. The negative side of the coil is connected to the points and condenser, which is grounded on the other side. This bolt, I don't know if you can see, has nuts on it that whenever you turn, make the contact point open and close. Very interesting. Kind of like that. And I drive that with my drill. And then from the igniter coil goes up to the spark plug, which is connected to the ground as well. And so let's see if I can get it started. Alright, first things first. Connect power. Alright. Then you get your drill. Let me just... Alright. And I'm going to put the drill up on there. And you can see it's sparking. And you can see that's sparking too! Yeah, who's your daddy? That'll be igniting the propane as it comes into the combustion chamber, causing hot gases to expand and drive a turbine which powers a compressor, and you have a gas turbine engine. Thanks for watching.